Another small update. I moved the Milia Zitaract and these suckers, root suckers, they blocked quite a bit of sunlight, so I moved them back using a twine, and now these can get more sunlight. Now a couple of things. You can see some powdery mildew on the base of the bud, that whitish stuff, and I'm going to spray with baking soda solution and see what happens, and I will do a further update. I have repotted the most recent fig trees, and they're now waiting for another week here until I move them with the others. And like last time, I watered them with a seaweed solution, and now I'm just to help with the transplanting and rooting. I have seen some good roots on them, which is great, and I'm expecting them to maybe reach the edge of this container by the winter time. Also, I have fertilized using irrigation. Well, I basically made a solution inside the bucket. Pretty much all of the plants, even these, even the ipomias that are basically used for their foliage. Let me just show you. I will just the product that I used. I don't have the packet now. I have it somewhere else, but it's a good opportunity to do this as well. So this is an old fridge that is not operating now, and I have in here any treatments I might be using, and fertilizers. These are just regular plastic used containers. I clean them, I wash them, I let them dry out, and I put inside, for example, this one has fertilizer. You can see I put a toilet paper, just to absorb any moisture. But inside, you can see pellets. I'm gonna talk more about the ratios of the NPK on another time, because I have a few different fertilizers. This is slow release, of course, but what I used last time is this. It's oxenol. I used it at 1 milliliter per liter, and I'm going to use it maybe 1 or 2 more times before the winter, something like that. And the NPK on this, just for reference, is 588. So it's not that strong, but it is complete, and it is a liquid fertilizer, so it acts quickly on the plant. Oh, by the way, you can see I have a syringe here, and you might say, why do you not have the container here? Well, because I don't use it. I don't use that much of it. I've used about this much in like 3-4 months. So yeah, I don't have to use it, and I don't want to be exposing the whole 5-liter container that I have to the environment. So I filled this up, and I'm using this to measure. And this is like again, other containers. This is the product I used for the transplanted, newly transplanted or repotted plants. And I have a few others as well. I'll get to them another time. But yeah, just as an idea, I'm not exposing, this is old vitamin container. I'm not exposing the entire, even if it was the slow release pellets, I am not exposing them to the atmosphere unnecessarily. And I think that's important if you are using them as slowly as I do. But anyway, closing it, I use this cardboard to cover it, to protect it from heating up too much, which I should have done earlier, but I didn't. So yeah, next year we'll see. And I have pruned a lot of these, and I will do more. And here, because it was blocking the plants here, the sun. So yeah, I did that. And it's also dropping its leaves. And so we can get more sunlight in now. You can see it's way more open now. So that's the update.